Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Di tayo iwan, di pa pabayaan. Pero wala ka na naman, at di ko maintindihan. Kung wala nang ganog nang magpaasa, dahil ako'y nasasaktan, ginagawa mo akong lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do, lalaruan. Hey, do-do-do-do-do.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single guys over here, and we'll also be bringing out some sexy single ladies one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magva-vibe kayo, or interested pa kayo sa mga sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi kayo magwa-match or hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? Yes! All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Aiko Garcia and I'm 25 years old.
Okay. And what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
Right now, I'm a VMX artist.
Okay. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
I love to travel. Gusto ko ng mga dagat.
Okay.
Yeah, and yun lang.
And how about sa isang ideal partner? Ano mang hanap mo?
More of, attitude.
Attitude. Okay.
Yeah,
Anong klaseng
and-
attitude?
Siguro, mas better gentleman.
Okay.
Yeah, and humble.
Ano naman mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Una-una, arrogant.
okay.
Nataturn off ako.
Alright, so talagang humble
Yeah,
dapat.
and syempre gusto ko yung may plano sa buhay.
Okay. May goals sa life.
Yeah, so kung
Alright.
wala,
Bye. Okay. So right now, mukhang wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating... Magpa-pop ka ba? Okay. Right now, mukhang wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup, so it's up to you. I would like you to choose, just based on what you're seeing right now, 2 balloons to pop.
oh my God.
Go. Kaya mo yan.
Why I feel so bad.
Then why did you join? Hindi, ganun naman talaga sa
Okay,
dating.
okay,
You can't
okay.
date them all, so.
Mahihain ako eh. Sorry.
Shy type.
Hi. Hello.
Alright, so let's go over here. So, what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm RB. I'm 30 years old, project engineer.
So, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
First impression ko, ang strong ng personality niya for me.
Paano mo malalamang
Parang-
strong? Is it like his outfit? Is it his...
Siguro yung facial
Okay.
expression, parang
Okay.
masungit.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
sorry.
Do you have any response to that? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Sa panlabasan pero mabait talaga ako.
Oh.
Paano yan?
I guess it's decided.
Alright. And over here as well. Hi. Welcome back to the show. Alright, so just for our viewers, hi. So what's your name? How old are you? And anong job mo?
I'm Ariel Clemente. I'm 32 years old. I'm a field technician.
And bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Magkakilala na kami.
Magkakilala tayo?
Oh, dati, di ba? Yung dati, before ka mag-VMX, nagtutour kami. Which is, nakasama ko siya sa tour before.
Tour? Sorry, saan tour?
Ikaw lang yung aware.
Nakalimutan niya na siguro.
Kasi-
So,
mama-
alam ko yung real name niya din.
Oh.
Yeah. Wait lang, which tour? Kasi
Yung dati nagla Union tayo.
Oh, really?
Way back 2019 nata.
Really?
Pre-pandemic
Nice
pa
to
pala.
see. Ang dami ko na kasi sinamahang tour.
Oh, okay. Small world naman pala. Joiners na tour. As in travel vacation, ganun.
Yeah,
Okay.
kasi mahilig ako mag-travel.
Oh, that's fun. Oh, yun naman pala. Nagta-travel na pala kayo together before. Hindi kanya gustong travel buddy. So right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question para mahanap natin ang iyong pusuan match.
Ano yung pinakaunang gusto nyo sa babae?
Hi, my name is Reese. I'm 40 and I'm a senior DevOps engineer. Hinahanap ko sa isang babae yung support.
My name is Zach. I'm 32 years old and I work in sales. I generally look at a woman's physical traits first, but I have a specific criteria when I look into her physical traits.
What sort of traits do you look for?
Decent looking, that's number one.
What is decent for you?
I think it's subjective, but when I say decent, it's probably the type of look or appearance that's not too flashy, maybe. Because I feel being a territorial guy, I don't want other guys looking at, my girl. If I end up being in a relationship with one, I want that flashy aspect of her to be kept for myself.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a bank officer. Siguro physically maganda yung mata. Behavior siguro mahaba yung pasensya.
Hi, my name is JC. I'm 34 and I'm a professional esports commentator. For me, I think someone who just fits into my life because my life is pretty established already and it's pretty hectic. I also travel a lot, so ideally someone who can fit into my life would be the main thing.
I am Axel. I am 35 and I do freelance job like I do modeling and then real estate. I have a small business like coffee and then I'm an athlete also. I like siguro sa physical maganda yung teeth niya. Attitude, honest and loyal.
Hi, I'm AJ Almacen. I am 30 years old. I'm a contractor and a civil engineer and I manage business then into cars. We restore cars, paint, and sometimes freelance actor din. Sa physical naman talaga tayo una tumitingin at first. So when it comes to physical thing, I want then nice eyes, nice smile. Then when it comes naman into the personality traits, someone I can vibe with. Kasi marami rin talaga akong passion sa buhay. So I want someone who's driven, who's supportive, could be my partner on making my empire.
Hi, I'm Jep. I'm 32 years old. I'm working as a civil engineer in a government agency. I'm looking for a girl a woman na, syempre, ang isang men, tinitingnan niya yung babae agad sa paningin niya, unang-una, yung appearance. But yet, I'm looking for a very good personality who is humble and also yung makakasama mo talaga sa buong buhay mo, who will support you with all your life. Yun. Syempre, hindi lang naman sila yung magiging support sa'yo and also, nakaya ko rin silang i-support for the long run.
So, based on those answers, I would like you to choose backwards walk. 2 balloons to pop.
2 balloons to pop.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll go here.
Okay. Binibigay niya na talaga.
Tan, 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 tan. And here.
Okay, hi. So, bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Based sa gusto niya.
Which is...
Sorry.
Anyari? Based sa gusto niya. Could you repeat for everyone kung ano ba yung na-mention mo kanina?
I'm looking for a girl na supportive sa akin.
Oh, so hindi ka ba supportive? Hindi ka ba supportive?
I'm a little bit stubborn.
Baka mag-clash, gano'n?
Yeah. Baka.
Okay.
Kasi, kung ano yung gusto ko din, I'll do it for myself. Kasi, I'm kind of like independent talaga. So, if I have plans, I have goal, I'll go for it. So
you feel like he wouldn't do that? Or do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
Sa akin kasi, at age of 40, na ako kumbaga, nagsisettle down na ako kumbaga, well-established na. May business ako, and then I have a nice work. So, ang sa akin lang is yung support ng partner.
Sa tingin mo ba, magbavibe kayo based sa sinabi niya about herself, na independent and...
Pwede naman siguro mag-compromise. Pero in the long term, siguro mas okay na, mas maintindihan niya yung nature ng work ko.
Pero set na tayo doon.
Yeah.
Alright, and also over here. Bakit siya yung isa pang napili mo i-pop?
Based sa sinabi niya, ayaw niya ng flashy, na pinagtitinginan ng iba.
Right.
Kasi I love to dress and to make myself pretty for myself.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko siguro may iwasan na if I'm in public, kailangan cover up ako masyado or what kasi I'm gonna wear based sa mood ko, like that.
Okay, so you don't want to be limited in that way.
Yes.
Ganon. Okay, do you have any responses, Napnya? Do you agree with her?
Yeah, totally agree with her. I just want to add on top of that, just because I said I wanted someone who's not that flashy, it doesn't mean I'm kind of attacking her, for lack of a better term. It's more of like me indirectly complimenting her because the fact that I noticed, she's, well, in my opinion, a little bit flashy. She can catch the attention of other guys. It's most likely because she caught my attention too. So it's kind of like an indirect compliment in a way.
Pero siya, type mo naman ba sana siya? Do you think she fits your...
If I were younger, like I was so into girls, she would be 20 out of 10 for me.
Alright, per set na tayo dito.
Yeah.
We still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So I want you to ask another question to help you narrow down your choice.
Where would you take your partner on a first date?
Hi, siguro I would rather ask you kung saan mo mas gusto kasi I'm very active person so I can do hiking, we can do a beach trip or sabihin natin gusto mo medyo laid back, mga cafe hopping, mga ganon. So we can also do siguro tambay lang sa car tapos na tayo kumain, conversation, ganon.
For the first date, since it's really just getting to know each other, I like to keep it simple and I would ask you, do you like drinks or coffee? I like to plan that, so I'd pick the place and then I'd pay the bill because it's the first time we'd met. So that would be the main thing. Coffee or drinks, I think that's the easiest way to get to know someone initially.
I think I'm gonna do the traditional dating na coffee or dinner tapos movie. I think that's a perfect first bonding na memorable.
Sino magbabayad?
Me.
Okay, just checking.
Kala ko hati.
Just checking. Siya kasi nag-mention.
For me, siguro at first sabihin ko muna sa'yo na you could just be whatever you want, whatever dress na gusto mo. Just want to be yourself. Yun lang at first. Siyempre, I'm going to pick you up. Sunduin kita. Ayoko naman mag-grab ka or mag-angkas ka, di ba? So, right after nun, I'm gonna make you feel comfortable. We're gonna go on a long road trip, maybe. May mga nice view. Kasi I'm fan of city lights, ganyan, beach view, city lights, nature. We can talk about whatever, anong passionate ka, anong trip mo sa buhay, or how do you see yourself, like, on just being naturally you?
Sa akin kasi, kagaya kanina, pinakinggan kita na you wanted na pumunta sa mga beaches, di ba? So, ang akin kasi parang I will make time para malaman muna kung saan mo gustong pumunta. Pagkatapos nun, siyempre, pupunta tayo doon na I will treat, kasi I'm a very family-oriented din kasi. So, I will treat you, siyempre, in some time, you will be, if ever, di ba, you will be my family. And yun yung gagawin ko. I will treat you as like them. And ayun, kakain tayo hili ko rin kasi sa nature, ganyan, with the view and also with a very interesting kind of food. And also, somehow I can cook. Ayun. Thank you.
Wow.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay.
Okay, let's start over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Based on his answer, kung ano daw gusto ko.
Okay.
I wanted a guy kasi na nakaplano na.
Magte-take charge, ganun.
Yes. Who did the plan and everything. Ayan.
You have any response to that?
Okay lang. First date So, feeling ko dapat kung saan siya mas comfortable. Dapat noon. And siguro I would take this opportunity. Ano nga yung VMAX, sorry.
VMAX daw.
VMAX.
Viva Max, yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay,
thank you.
Tatanong wala.
Parang ano siya, okay.
Okay. Everyone's clear here of what VMX is, Viva Max. And over here then, so bakit siyang isa pang napili mo ipop?
Same thing. Parang nakikita ko na parang he wanted to depends on where I wanna go and what do I plan. Kasi gusto ko din talaga sa guy, leader.
Okay.
Gusto man na parang I want to be submissive.
Alright. Do you have any response to that?
Ayun, so kung paano ako rin nire-respect yung woman and I respect your answer. Yun, thank you dun.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, Three balloons left. Okay, so we have 3 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask again another question to help you find kung sino bang the one sa kanilang tatlo.
Based sa narinig nyo about my work and about my age and siguro based on your first impression, ano kaya ang goal or nakikita nyo if I'll be your partner or girlfriend or basta ganon?
Okay, all right, let's see.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Your work is what again?
Viva Max, artist.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear that earlier. I thought I heard like VMX or something.
It's the same thing. Yeah, it's like the abbreviated version.
Okay.
Does that change your mind?
I'm so sorry. I would pop my balloon. Yeah. Sorry. I am sorry. I didn't hear you earlier. But yeah.
Okay, so yes. Well, now we'd want to know, why did you decide to pop your balloon?
Okay. I respect what everyone does for work. But I think for me it'd be a little bit hard just because like my family's very traditional, like my Filipino side, and I also would have to respect their opinions, and I think they would kind of, have something to say about it. As much as I would enjoy getting to know you and everything else, I think that would be a hard thing to get by, just also because of nature of the work, and obviously you'd be working with other guys as well, right? Like I don't know in depth about everything there. I saw the previous episodes.
Where daw? Sino ditong hindi aware sa Viva Max?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, where then daw? Wait, just kidding. Okay.
So that would be the main thing. I mean, just the nature of the work. But again, respect what you do for work, and I wish you more success in it. So.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, do you have any response to that, or just?
Hindi ako nagulat.
Okay. Do you usually get that
yeah.
from guys?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, thank you so much. Let's go over here.
I think I'll be open-minded naman kasi I have friends then from Viva Max. And then I'm in the modeling industry then, so, and I'm not seloso then, tsaka it's part of their job eh. It's part of their work. You should respect that. And if you really like the girl, diba, it's just part of their job and it's money. So you should be open-minded about it. I think I'm open naman about that.
All right. Thank you so much. And how about over here?
At first kasi, for me, I'm the type of partner kasi na hindi ako controlling eh. So, though I have experience din naman sa modeling, I have friends into showbiz din. So, I understand the craft on how it is made, diba? There are scenes talaga na, syempre, if you have partner, some of them, medyo hindi sa kanila okay. But for me, when it comes on that aspect, hindi naman siya totally deal breaker for me. Like, I understand, I support, kasi gusto ko yung sinusuportahan din ako pabalik. On the manner na kung ano yung gusto ko i-thrive. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, I have so many things to do sa buhay ko din. So if I would be selfish, bakit ako support mo tas ikaw di kita support, diba? Kumbaga, you can do whatever you want na for your own life. So I'm just here to be your number one supporter. Na support in a way na, let's say may shooting ka, hatid kita, ganyan, whatever.
Kala niya raw panonoorin mo.
Hindi, yung papanoorin, bro. Pwede namin gawin yun privately.
Well, since we only have 2 balloons left, hindi mo na kita ipapa-pop. So, sila naman na magtatanong ng question sa'yo to find out if you're a good match for them. Yeah. So, over here, may question ka ba for our sexy single?
Siyempre, di ba, nagiging intimate kayo or whatsoever? Like, honest question lang is like, minsan ba nagkakaroon ng chemistry dun sa pag ginagawa niyong scene sa partner or what? Serious. Or job lang talaga? Or honest, ano lang?
Yeah, question. Yeah. Ako as an artist kasi, kaya ko siya ginagawa. For me, parang hindi ako na-challenge if I say no to anything na alam ko kaya kong gawin. I wanna be some actress na kayang gawin kahit anong challenge. Kasi nag-explore ako and I'm learning a lot. Regarding sa question, if totoo, I never felt one. Kasi here, I'm Aiko. This is a different personality. It's me. Pero if I play a role sa isang movie, it's totally not me. It's that character I'm playing with. Same with the love scene. kung ako, I'm playing the 16-year-old girl, innocent, being abused, curious lang, or na-brainwash lang, and doing the love scenes, I'm gonna play the love scene as 16-year-old na hindi alam, and I'm just being controlled. So it's not Aiko's doing the scene. And mostly nga, after a scene, pagkapasok ko sa set, hindi ako yan. After the scene, right after sinabing cut, I couldn't even remember yung mga scenes na nagawa ko.
So may clear boundaries.
Yes. So, wala siya. It's totally different.
And how about over here? Anong question mo for our sexy single?
Normal naman nagkakaroon ng mga misunderstandings, disagreements. It's part of the relationship para mas strengthen yung bond. If ever na magkaroon tayo ng mga certain conflicts, mga didiscuss natin, ganyan, how do you handle it?
Number 1 talaga sa akin, importante, communication. Ayoko na matatapos yung araw as possible na hindi na susolve or hindi na pag-uusapan. But it depends naman. Let's say, masyadong mabigat yung nagiging conflict natin. We need space or kailangan muna nating hindi mag-usap. Let's say, for the day or what. Pero, yun, ang solution ko palagi is pag-uusapan talaga. We need to talk about it. Na-try ko din kasi yung pagiging one of my toxic trait na aware naman ako. Yeah. Kasi mahirap ako mag-process ng negative emotions eh. Pag nagselos ako or galit ako, I'm just so quiet na hindi mo, magtataka ka na lang di ako nagsasalita. Yeah, and I'm working on that. And I learned naman from the past na kailangan na pag-uusapan, and na-appreciate ko din yung guy na siya yung nag-i-initiate ng conversation na we need to talk about this and that.
Di ba sabi mo kanina at first you have this trait na gusto mo yung tahimik ka lang muna. Para sa akin naman, it's not toxic. Di ba? Siyempre, you need to process it naman. Siguro, my follow-up question lang is, do you take your problems privately? Like, on your own? Or do you prefer going to your friends, alam mo yun, sharing your problems with them or posting such mga scenarios, gano'n?
Ako, I take my problems on my own eh. The way I cope up, kasi nabanggit ko, I'm independent and parang mag-isa talaga ako. Parang sa lahat. So, if I have problems, talagang sarili ko.
Private lang.
Yes, and I'm gonna think solutions, or minsan nagre-recharge lang ako, I isolated myself, ganyan. And then, siguro pag naka-recover na ako and medyo mag-clear na yung minds ko, yun, I prefer to talk it kung may jowa, di ba? Wala.
We'll see by the end of this round.
So, wala. So, ang nangyayari, depende eh. Pag masyadong personal and private yung nagiging problem ko, I keep it myself. Pero may mga problem na pwede kong i-share sa friends. I do ask
advice.
Yes, advices naman sa kanila.
Okay, so right now, wala sa kanilang nag-pop. So, the decision is yours. Ay, wait lang daw. Sorry, balik tayo dito.
Her answer kanina, she reminds me of my best friend sa Viva Max the girl na parang na-feel ko na parang kapatid ko na lang siya. Can I pop my balloon?
Yeah, okay. So, she got sister zone?
Sister's vibes!
She's attractive and all. Okay. And I think she has a good heart naman. Pero I can remember my best friend, the way she talks kasi, and her vibe and her energy.
You wanna shout out? Baka magkakilala sila. Kung Viva Max din.
I think magkakilala sila, yeah.
Oh.
So ayun.
Bestie.
Nakita ko na parang,
Bestie.
okay kami magtropa, parang gano'n. So she reminds me of her kasi, so ayun lang.
May response ka ba dun?
Friend zone.
Sister zone. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So since we have one balloon left, please join us over here.
Finale.
Okay, so before we proceed, do you still have any final questions for each other? How about from your end?
Wala. I'm good.
Okay, now how about you?
Kailan yung next, ano mo? Joke lang.
So if you guys don't have any other questions, I'm gonna ask you now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
She seemed interesting naman din. And I think I want to get to know her more.
And sure ka na ba sa kanya? Tumawa na lang. Well,
May trust issue.
Ano?
Siguro I'm not used to it na parang lahat na sinasabi niya, he's so very supportive lang na, sige,
Okay.
go lang, sige, go
Hindi
lang.
ka naniniwalang gano'n.
Parang hindi.
Bakit? Parang nagmamatch naman yung values nyo based on yung conversation
Yeah,
kanina.
diba?
You don't wanna try it?
I'm afraid it's gonna...
Not end well?
Yeah.
Or- okay, well, you can pop his balloon if you feel that way.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
For me, it's okay. I respect you. As I respect you naman about those.
Thank you so much.
Okay, well, unfortunately, we do not have a match today, but thank you so much for joining. Thank you. and
Yes,
hope to see you again the next episode.
Thank you so much.
Here comes our next sexy single. Hi!
Hello.
Hello. So, what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Eunice M. Zulueta. I'm 32 years old.
Okay. And anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm a litigation lawyer.
All right. And what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
Actually, kahapon lang free diving activity ako.
Oh.
Kaya medyo may sunburn pa ako. Nag-vlog ako.
Okay.
Ayun lang. Ginagawa ko siya dahil pagka-bored ako. Ganon. O kaya pag natatoxican na ako sa trabaho.
Okay. Vlog for fun lang, parang personal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo. Pero mga nagre-reply ako doon, mga nanghihingi ng free legal advice. So, parang yun na yung tulong ko sa public.
Okay, cool. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Para sa akin gusto ko yung good provider. Sometimes kasi kahit naman the woman could provide, mas maganda na the man of the house nagpo-provide, good provider yung lalaki kahit na kayang i-provide ng babae.
So parang both sana.
Oo.
Okay.
Yes.
And ano namang deal breakers mo or mga red flags that you look out for?
Deal breakers agad. May tanong ako para babayado pero sasabihin ko na mama's boy pero I want to explain. Para sa akin walang masama na okay yung mapagmahal sa magulang kasi ako mahal ko din naman yung magulang ko. But mahirap kasi kapag mama's boy and if you cannot decide on yourself alone kasi kapag ka lalaki, dapat marunong kang mag-decide para sa pamilya mo if you are going to build a family kasi ikaw yung magdedesisyon para sa pamilya mo.
Okay, well, kanina may narinig tayong isang balloon na nag-pop. Okay, so let's go over there and find out kung bakit.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a bank officer.
Okay, and Jed, bakit ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
I prefer yung mga late 20s lang na ladies.
So, sa age lang?
Yes. And based din sa sagot niya kasi sabi niya parang ready na siya to settle. So parang medyo, for me, parang medyo nakaka-pressure din in a way.
So, more of casual lang muna yung hinahanap mo?
Not really, pero siguro more on younger girls din. Tapos parang yung mga activities in terms of, sabi na, hiking or kung ano man, yung nakakasabay pa sa akin sana.
Pero nag-free diving naman siya, so hindi ba siya makakasabay sa'yo? I mean, athletically?
I'm not sure kasi.
Okay. Do you have any response to what he said?
Okay lang naman. Meron pala akong gustong i-add.
Okay.
I'm a single mom.
Oh, okay. Okay, so may mga ilang nag-pop din ng balloon. So let's start over here.
My name is Zach. I'm 32 years old and I work in sales.
And ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
I don't have anything against single moms. It's just not my cup of tea. I'm not saying I want my own family. I'm just saying that I personally think that I am not capable of providing for, this is going to sound negative, but I'm going to say it anyway. So I'm not capable of providing for a child that isn't mine. So yeah, I'm going to be straight up with you. So I'm sorry.
Ako kasi kaya kong mag-provide para sa anak ko. And personally, gusto ko din sana kung magkakaroon man ako ng new partner, prefer ko na single dad din para maintindihan niya yung sitwasyon ng isang single mom.
Someone who can relate sa ganong same situation.
Yes, because it's difficult.
Alright, but do you also expect your partner to provide for your child like what he's saying? Or hindi naman?
No, kasi I could provide for my child. Actually,
so hindi mo naman expect yun out of whoever you're gonna date?
No talaga kasi maayos naman yung trabaho ko. Hindi naman nagkukulang. Okay din naman yung financial support sa anak ko din.
And over here?
Hi, I'm JC. I'm 34, and my job is a professional esports commentator. Nothing against single moms. I highly respect what you're able to do, but my personal preference is I want to be a father someday, and I want to share that moment with whichever partner that ends up being. And at the current stage of my life, I still want to be able to travel with my partner and like experience life without worrying about what they're going to have to do with their child. Because I don't want to put that on them either, leaving the child while we're traveling or something. So purely personal preference. I'd just love to be a father with someone who has a baby just with me.
Do you have any response to that?
Yes, naiintindihan ko yon at saka sa mga nahahandle ko rin na case. Talaga naman nagiging problema yung kapag may anak kayo sa iba kasi hindi talaga mahirap ipantay yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mong anak doon sa anak ng ibang lalaki or ibang babae. Laging magkakaroon ng issue sa favoritism. Meron akong nahahandle na mga ganyan, mga case. Kaya naiintindihan ko sila.
Okay, and over here as well.
Hi, I'm Axel. I'm 35 years old. I do freelance job like modeling, real estate, and I have a small business like coffee. I'm a gamer din kasi. And for me, there's a saying na dating a single mom is like playing a video game and continuing someone's saved game data. So, yeah. So, for me, it's a hard pass.
Do you have any response to that?
With respect dun sa save game data. Tingin ko, medyo kasi dahil nga merong remembrance. Yeah.
Okay. ng previous game?
ng previous relationship.
Okay.
Kasi comparison lang naman yun, diba? So, yung sa single mom, dun sa previous relationship.
Do you agree with what he's saying?
Sa akin, kung game kasi yung tingin niya sa pagmamahal, parang ganon. Pero, merong mga iba nagsasabi naman na meron daw nakakatanggap talaga. Pero, at first, hindi mo naman talaga yun mag-gauge pa. Pag nagtagal na, doon magkakaroon ng possible problems kasi kapag yung bata lumalaki, syempre, teenage years, yan yung pinakamahirap na i-handle na phase.
Okay, so too soon to say right now, baka over time, mas mag-develop, parang ganun.
Yes, kaya parang dapat sa marriage, sisiguraduhin mo na kaya mong tiisin yung lahat ng hirap na possible na pagdaanan nyo. Ako kasi, kino-consider ko na yung anak ko. Kung magmamahal man ako, syempre, dapat mahal din yung anak ko.
Okay, so right now, okay, never mind. I was about to count balloons. Who popped their balloon? All right, so let's go over here.
I'm RB, 30 years old, project engineer. With all due respect, I like that you're a lawyer. I wanted to be a lawyer before. And also with, I think what she said earlier, you preferred a single dad also so he can understand your situation, right? Another reason is the kid. Right now, I'm kind of busy with a lot of things going on. So I also don't want to waste your time and my time. But I really appreciate single moms out there. So.
Do you have any response to that?
Siguro medyo mahirap makipag-usap sa kanya kasi English.
Okay. Pero hindi ka naman din exclusively just looking for single dads, diba? Just anyone who would
hindi naman.
Be open to that situation. They would understand it more.
Oo, mas preferred ko.
So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. I'd like you to ask a question to help you find who you vibe with.
Sinulat ko.
May tissue. Kaya pala may tissue. Akala ko parang pinapawisan ba siya? Iyak ba siya?
How would you handle an alpha female?
Okay, someone popped their balloon. So, before we get to your answer, let's ask kung bakit.
My name is Erold. I'm 32 years old. I work in a telecommunications company. So, yung sagot, ba't ko nag-pop yung balloon? So, may na-experience na ako na ex ko na alpha. So, medyo mahirap siya i-handle. Lalo na yung nasabi ko dating deal breaker ko na ayoko ng babaeng gumagawa ng away kahit wala nang dapat pag-awayan. So, medyo...
At inulit mo pa talaga.
Inulit ko na. So, yun nga. Pag alpha kasi talaga ayaw magpatalo kahit na may mali din sila eh.
Do you agree with that? Yun ba yung connotation ng pagiging alpha female?
I think naman, halos lahat naman ng babae talagang ayaw nagpapatalo sa argument. Although, yun yung bad connotation for alpha female. But for me, the positive side of an alpha female is that she is successful. So, she knows what she brings to the table.
Okay. May response ka pa dun?
So, yun. Nag-pop din ako kasi. Yung last time is di nag-work eh. Single mom din eh.
So ngayon hindi ka na open sa single mom?
Hindi naman. So, nasabi niya kasi alpha female. So, yun.
Alright, well, thank you so much. Oh, okay. So, we'll move over here.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm 32. I'm a civil engineer. For me, kasi naalala ko yung pagiging alpha female din kasi. Parang medyo natatrauma pa ako.
Na-trigger ka sa sinabi niya?
Hindi naman, konti lang. Pero ang nangyari kasi maganda naman kasi iniintindi ko rin siya. Parang I'm trying to be humble kung ano yung gusto niyang i-point out. Kaso parang for me in the long run, parang mapapagod ako. Ang mahalaga lang naman kasi sa akin, wala namang problema, you're a single mom and also, basta syempre, you feared the Lord. Pero for me, yun yung lang sa akin, yung pagiging alpha female. Kasi nakakapagod. Ayoko na mapagod.
Anong part yung nakakapagod?
Kasi parang, kunyari, may isang bagay, tapos pag-aawayin nyo, kunyari, parang kulay lang sometimes yung na-experience ko before. Parang napag-aawayan na namin kung orange ba yun o dilaw. Parang dumating sa punto na parang ayaw niya magpatalo. Okay lang, sige, pakikinggan kita. Kaso dumating yung point na paulit-ulit na. Kaya, ayun po, parang I surrender na.
Do you have any response to that? Ikaw ba ayaw magpatalo din? Or?
Baka kasi mas bata pa yung nakarelasyon niya doon. Yung gano'n na problema nila, parang...
Yung sa colors?
Medyo, I'm sorry for the term medyo immature. Ako naman, for me ito lang, I don't mind being submissive to my man as long as sinabi ko nga nung una, he is a good provider. You know, I am a lawyer at work. Of course, I work to argue, to litigate. But of course, at home, if I become a wife to someone, I will serve him with all my heart at pagsisilbihan ko siya bilang asawa niya. At I don't mind being wrong if I'm really wrong. Basta ipapaliwanag lang niya na maayos.
Okay. Pero set ka na doon?
Okay na po. Pero I really love for you being a single mom and also, actually, humahanga ako sa'yo. Thank you po.
Yee! Okay, well, thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 2 balloons left. So, could you repeat your question? Or, never mind. Okay. Alam mo, pinaglalakad niyo lang ako eh. Okay, let's go over here. Gusto mo lang makita na nag-backwards walk ako.
I'm AJ. I am 30 years old. I'm a contractor, civil engineer, businessman.
So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
At first, sa single mom, actually, yun nga, I salute you din. Kasi I have an ex na single mom. So, hindi siya naging bearing sa akin at all. Like, minahal ko rin talaga yung ex-partner ko and her daughter. So talagang in-embrace ko siya na just like my own.
So in this case?
On that case naman, on being the alpha, yung siguro yung medyo sa akin. Like, baka hindi kami mag-vibe dun. Kasi just like what I've said na I'm into submissive women din naman. Na kasi ako, I like to lead. I like, as a man, I want na we progress through the phase kung ano yung tinatahak namin. Pero okay lang din naman sa akin to have an alpha partner na parehas kaming magbe-build something na bigger for better purpose for the family. So, on my part lang na medyo naging kasi I've experienced na yung alpha na, pero yung pagiging lawyer, it's nice na-appreciate. I mean, maganda yon, like, di ba, palaban talaga. Pero siguro, na-stressed out lang ako on the previous times na it's hard to laging nagdi-discuss ng things, blah, blah, blah. So, I just want to live genuinely na masaya, less stress, and gusto ko yung submissive sa akin when it comes to the whole relationship.
Do you have any response to that?
Sa akin, talaga namang daily deal breakers ang pagiging single mom. And I understand that. Nung kabataan ko, nung wala pa akong anak, I feel parang enticing to men kasi wala pa naman akong anak.
Enticing pa rin naman.
Tapos lawyer din naman ako. Tsaka hindi naman ako ganun kapangit. Pero,
Grabe siya. Pero sinabi niya okay siya sa single mom. Yung pagiging alpha daw and
no. But
discussing
really,
everything in daw, di ba?
Sa guys, talaga naman dapat nilang i-consider yung pagiging single mom ng isang, nung makakapartner nila. Unlike sa babae, kung halimbawa single dad, sa akin okay lang. Pero dati nung bata-bata din ako, hindi rin ako open sa ganyan. Pero kasi kapag ka single mom, talagang yung mga anak, talagang nag-i-stay dun sa nanay.
But you had an ex, right? Na single mom din. Hindi naman nga daw yun yung reason.
Ano ba yung pinaka-point niya?
Yung ano daw, pagiging alpha na you'll be discussing everything. So
like, parang ang dami ko na rin pinoproblema on my career, or on my path. Ganun. So parang I don't like going home na dami ko ng problems outside. When I get home, discussion again.
Naman.
Kaya mo naman i-provide peaceful home.
Oo. Yung peace of mind ba?
Oo, yun lang.
Kasi 'di ba sa relationship, yung peace of mind depende rin sa lalaki yun kung nagbibigay din siya ng peace of mind kasi daw ang women ay reciprocator lang. So if you give peace of mind, the woman would also give peace of mind to you.
So two-way.
Medyo contest ko lang ng konti.
Ikaw contest dyan.
Pag alpha kasi, sinabi mong alpha, parang medyo may pagka-certain controlling ng konti. 'Di ba? Alam mo yun. So parang she wants na laging parang partly included or ask ng opinion niya na parang laging baka may contest siya or what. Parang I just want lang din someone na who could trust me. Na parang I know this, I know how things going.
Tama ba siya doon? Do you think you'll be controlling as an alpha or
yun kasi kapag sinabi kasing alpha female na iisip nila agad na negative. But if you would see it on the positive side and if you would search it on the internet, it means successful woman na can compete in a healthy way. It's how you view things kasi, 'di ba? Law of attraction na lang.
Okay.
So kung na-view mo siya as negative, then it would be negative. But if you view it on the positive side, then magiging positive siya.
Right? Do you still have any response to that or you're good? Ano to? Ba't nagbubulungan tong...
Is it okay? Like, they wanna know lang what, they wanna know what happened with you guys. Why you guys broke up?
Wala ka ng balloon. Siya sabihan mo, may balloon doon. Ano?
To follow lang. Na-appreciate ko ba yung alpha mo? Yeah, and I'm feeling ko naman you're very strong person na you can do whatever you want. And, ayun, I wish you well for your daughter. Kasi nga, I have ex na, alam ko yung struggle na, I can feel you, I can feel the struggle. So, na-appreciate ko. It's just that, on my part, I think we cannot vibe on certain aspects.
I'm willing to answer naman.
Okay.
It's not about being alpha. It's about marriage issue. They're just not ready. Dalawa lang naman yung naging ex ko. So, both of them are not ready to settle. And, medyo matagal din naman yung relationship. So, ako, para sa akin, kapag nagtagal na yung relationship and then wala namang plano for marriage, it's time for me to out. Kasi parang...
Different yung goals nyo kasi.
Hindi, we are not on the same page.
Alright. Well, thank you so much. Okay, so we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Okay, alright. So, could you repeat your questions para masagot din niya?
How do you handle an alpha female?
Okay.
Okay. Para sa akin, yung mga alpha female, masarap mahalin eh.
Naka naman. Bakit?
Wala namang alpha female na pag-uwi ng bahay, kumbaga, binibaby din naman mga yan eh.
Kinikilig siya. Ay. Okay.
Tsaka, yung unang sabi niya na lawyer siya, kasi ako nag-aral ako ng Juris Doctor. Pero hindi ko natuloy. Pero parang frustration ko yun eh. Ang hirap kasi mag-aral ng law. So, napaka-impressive. Yung nasabi ko, ako nga pala, work from home. So, kung busy siya sa field or sa work niya, pag-uwi niya, alagaan ko siya.
Sana all. Okay, well, from your end, meron ko pa bang tanong para sa kanya?
Single mom na married or single mom lang talaga?
a single mom. Single. I'm not married. Never been married. Yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina. Ang issue kasi...
Ayan. Sorry, you were saying?
Ang issue ko dun sa previous relationship.
Hindi ready, right? Yeah. Okay, so siya ready. Mukhang ready, no? Okay, let's ask. Okay, so, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Opo, sure.
Okay! And, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Actually, I want to give a chance, pero I really joined this game just for fun.
Pwede namang fun na mag-date later and then see where it goes.
Ano ba to? May free food ba?
Magbabayad ka daw ba ng free food?
Oo naman, basic lang yan.
Basic daw. Ano?
I don't want. Gusto ko i-pop.
Oh, okay. Gusto niya daw talaga i-pop. Okay, so go ahead.
Actually, I prefer na siya na lang mag-pop. Para okay lang naman sa akin.
Okay. Hindi, gusto niya daw ikaw.
Hindi, ikaw na.
Hindi, decision mo. Harapin mo yung ginawa mong choice. Okay. So, anong reason?
Kasi nga, I really joined this game just for fun.
Hindi. Wait.
Okay. Yeah, that's
okay,
really
just for fun.
the reason.
Okay.
And I'm really not ready to date din naman. Actually, meron din naman nagkakagusto sa akin, pero hindi lang din ako pumapatol pa. Kasi syempre, gusto ko nga makilala muna ng mabuti. Tsaka yung, mukhang good yung intentions niya.
Mm-hmm. But?
Pero, it's just that I'm really not ready to date yet.
Okay. It's kind of confusing because you're in a dating show. But, okay.
But the title of this show is Pusuan or Laruan.
So, laruan yung ginawa mo.
Just for fun, right?
Joke lang. Okay, well, thank you so much. I hope you can join us again when you're ready for love. Unfortunately, we don't have a match today, but thank you, both of you, and good luck to all your future love endeavors. Here comes our next sexy single. Hi! All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
Hello, I'm Maria. I'm in my 30s.
Okay. Just vaguely in your 30s.
In my 30s.
Okay. And what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I do business development for the beauty industry.
Okay. Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Recently, I've been into tennis. So I do it weekly.
Okay.
I'm not as good, but then I like learning the hobby. So it's, yeah.
Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality or physical traits?
Gusto ko yung loyal, number one. And then I want someone who's also adventurous and ambitious.
How about your deal breakers or mga red flags for you?
I don't want a lazy so
okay.
Yeah, sorry. But yeah, I want someone who's really active.
Okay.
And someone who's, loyal also.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. All right. So right now, wala pa nagpa-pop ng balloon sa ating...
Oh my God.
Okay, never mind.
Ouch.
Okay, so let's go over here and find out kung ba't siya nag-pop.
Reese, senior DevOps engineer, 40 years old.
So ba't ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi sabi niya active eh. Okay. So, hindi ako masyadong active. Medyo introverted yung personality ko.
I mean, active lifestyle.
So ano ka ba? More of indoor ka ba? Or...
nasa loob lang ako ng harap ng computer.
So talagang very like stay-at-home guy.
Yes.
Do you have any response to that?
Okay.
Okay.
Got
accept it as is.
I accept.
Okay. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balloons left. So I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop just based on what you're seeing right now.
I'm so sorry. Wait lang. It's so hard to decide.
Okay, let's go over there.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Errol Clemente, 32 years old. I work in a telecommunications company.
So, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Maybe the vibe lang. Parang feel ko good as friends.
Oh, what about him gives you that friend vibe?
Just the initial perception or, yeah.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
None.
Or type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, all right. All right. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask a question to help you find out kung sino mas makaka-vibe mo sa kanila.
What was the sweetest thing you've done for a previous relationship or for the girl that you were with?
Yeah, my name is Zach. I'm 32 years old and I work in sales. I wouldn't say I've done something that's considered sweetest, but I normally do sweet things for my girl, which kind of gets unnoticed most of the time. I'm more of a guy who takes action that rather than just, spit out some, endearments or whatnot. Yeah, so those like little subtle actions, like, serving her food or like, even if I'm mad at her or something, I'd still do those little subtle things too.
So more of like an acts of service type of guy. Okay.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a bank officer. Siguro yung kasi sa bank meron kaming 5 days na straight leave. So I spend the 3 days sa kanya. So technically that's switch off ng social media, ng messages from my boss and my team. Ganun.
So total quality time together. Ganun.
Hi, my name is RB. I'm 30 years old, project engineer. So the sweetest thing I've done for my past relationship is I took her to a ice cream shop. So literally something sweet. Because we got in a fight, and then I know that to cool things down, to bring her somewhere sweet and somewhere that she had something cold. So that's all I can think of.
Hello, I'm JC. I'm 34. My job is a professional esports commentator. Sweetest thing that I can think of right now off the top of my head, we were in Japan and we were out. Her heels broke. We were drinking and we couldn't get a taxi. So I carried her on my back to our Airbnb. So she said it was sweet. So yeah.
I'm Axel. I'm 35. I do freelance jobs like modeling, real estate, and I have a coffee business, and I'm also an athlete. The sweetest thing I did was like I asked her like the stuff that she wants and what she needs for her like job or work or something like that, because she does corporate stuff. So I bought that thing. And she wasn't expecting that I'm gonna buy it on our first monthsary.
Hi, I'm AJ. I am 30 years old. I'm a contractor, civil engineer, businessman. The sweetest thing that I've done, siguro on surface level muna, is siguro hinaharana ko yung girl ko, yung ex ko. Ayan. So I love to sing and make videos na para sa kanya. Ganun, medyo sweet guy. Aside from that, yung deeper level naman siguro is that I embraced her fully.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm 32 years old. I'm a civil engineer, a pageant, nagjo-join sa pageant and also a reenactment actor. Yung pinaka-sweet na ginawa ko before, kasi pa lang nun, surface pa lang din. Dinala ko siya sa Intramuros before. Kasi very gusto niya yung yung mga yung mga kaila Riza, yung mga nangyari sa Japan before, yung in-invade tayo. So, yun yung very gustong-gusto niya. So, ang nangyari nun, dinala ko sa Intramuros. Tapos na nangyari, doon nag-date kami doon sa may coffee shop and may banda doon. Tapos dinala ko siya ng flowers and a letter na of my sincerity na gusto ko siya. Ayun.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. And one more. Can also just be like overall vibe.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so let's start over here. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Overall vibe.
Yun talaga? Kasalanan ko pala. Wait, balik nga. What was your answer? Could you repeat it for us?
I think I said something along the lines of I don't recall doing anything I consider the sweetest, but more an acts of service.
So I am an acts of service.
Gusto ko sana, pero napop ko na. I forgot his answer.
Right. So what about his overall vibe?
Parang, again, like friend. More
Friend
like
vibe.
no romantic
Is there any
urge
specific
or feeling.
reason? Like anything he said that gave you that vibe?
No. I think what you said was really sweet.
Do you have any response to that?
Yeah. So I kind of agree with her when she saw me as a friend, because earlier the reason I didn't pop I was kind of hovering over my balloon, but my first impression was like, I'm gonna dissect it if it's okay. She seemed really bubbly, which is like my complete opposite. So I find it attractive. The deal breaker for me, I think, was her being a career woman. I think she mentioned she was a business development representative. I work closely with a business development representative in my company, so they're very hard to reach. And so I think, her being a career-oriented woman is kind of gonna, affect the relationship in a way, because I like seeing my partner and I like talking to her.
Do you agree with what he said regarding?
To each their own naman, but I really love the work that I do. So,
do you think it will be an issue in the relationship if ever?
I try my best to balance everything. So I don't think it's gonna be an issue, but I respect what you said.
Okay, and over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
Parang I wanted a sweeter answer.
So you want something more than just quality time in
I
general?
want, like an effort, ganon. So.
Do you have any response to that?
Siguro yung past kong relationship was spent in La Union. Yun. So yun more on beach date and drive along dun somewhere nearby places. Ganon.
Does that change your mind at all?
Napop ko na.
So stick to your answer ka na lang. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So please ask another question to help you find out who you're vibing with.
What is something meaningful you still want to accomplish or experience in your life? And why does it matter to you?
I think something meaningful I want to do probably with my parents, just my mom and dad. So I came here traveling with my sister initially to the Philippines. And then my parents, they're not really a fan of going somewhere, but I'm trying to force them to go and travel with us because I've seen parts of the world and I also want to experience it with them. So ultimately, that's my goal.
I think at this point, something I really want to do is just be a father. Like, I think that's like probably top one on my list. There was a time that I was in a relationship where I thought I would eventually like get to that point. It didn't happen. And so that's probably the next like goal, I guess I would say, is just to be a father. I'd really want that. And yeah, hopefully it happens someday.
For me, the most meaningful, I think, is finding the right one and having a family because we're not getting any younger.
Huwag mo ko isama dyan.
So yeah, I think that's it.
For me, yung something meaningful, siguro I'm more focusing, as of now, I want more career growth. Mga inaasikaso sa buhay, gusto ko mag-succeed ba. All we need is something na stable in your career, healthy and happy home.
For me is magkaroon ng family na. And sa akin kasi yung pinaka gusto kong mangyari is maging akong the best father and also the best husband to my future wife. And someday, kung matutuloy, mabigyan ko na ng apo yung magulang ko.
So, based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Okay, let's go over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo ipop?
I think overall vibe. It's really not the answers kasi okay naman their
Alright. Ano bang vibe niya na hindi mo feel?
Looks like a bad boy.
A bad boy.
So
Ayaw mo sa bad boy. Do you have any response to that? Bad boy ka ba talaga?
Sometimes.
Hindi naman niya din
tama naman pala.
But do you think that you guys would vibe?
As of friends, siguro, yeah.
And how about over here? So, bakit siya yung napili mong ipop?
Just the vibe.
Ano yung vibe niya?
Or basta more on friends. Parang I don't feel anything romantic.
When you guys were kind of talking.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Yeah, actually, ako rin I feel. Like, she looks like my sister.
Oh, okay.
Brother!
Yeah, pero the friend vibe, I could, do it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Dami magkakapatid dito. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. Please ask another question to help us see who you vibe with.
What are your red flags and what are you doing to turn those to green, if ever?
I think one of my red flags is just taking a lot of tasks at once. Sometimes I would like not prioritize what needs to be prioritized at first. So by turning that around and fixing it, I put reminders on my phone. Actually started like last week. Well, I do like Google Sheets and actually this Google Schedule just to remind me of the things that I need to do per day. So this one I think that I do to fix that.
So I have 2 that I would say. Number 1, I'm kind of a workaholic. I do a lot of things. I travel a lot for work as well, so I can also hyperfixate on work. And sometimes I'm the type that I just forget my phone. I forget to reply to messages and stuff like that. So that's kind of a red flag, I think, for some people. Secondly is, I don't want to say like trust issues, but like from my last experiences, there was some stuff in there that really caused me to take some time, like a long time to work through that. And just being honest, like it's not 100% yet. It still comes up once in a while. So I think that's still like something, that obviously is dealt with through communication. But yeah, those are the 2.
Sa akin yung I have so many time kasi na parang may trabaho, and also time for the family, isa yung time sa church. Parang doon nauubos yung oras ko paminsan-minsan. And sometimes, my way of communication medyo mabagal. Ayun. So, pag nagiging mabagal, medyo, syempre, nakakaroon ng worry dun sa other part. Pero yung ginagawa ko naman ngayon, I'm trying to manage my time and also deduct yung mga sa tingin ko na hindi naman na talaga dapat.
So, right now, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop, just based on their answers. So let's go over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
It's good naman that you're number one, aware about your red flags and you're working on it. But I would really like someone to already know their priorities and be able to like act on their priorities. But it's great that you're working on it.
Ngayon, kaya sa tingin ko ngayon, unti-unti ko pa siyang inaayos. And thank you for that.
Okay, so we have 2 balloons left right now. So, sila naman na magtatanong sa'yo ng question to help them find out if you're a good match for them. Okay, so let's start over here. What's your question for our sexy single?
Do you have a height preference in guys?
Height preference?
Yeah.
Just someone who's taller than me.
Okay. Since you asked about a red flags, so I'm just gonna ask the same question. What's your red flag and what did you do to turn that
So
around?
I could really be more patient in work, in relationships, and I'm trying my best to be more self-aware, to be able to know talaga like there are instances or situations where I should really apply more patience in that aspect. So, yeah.
And how about over here? What's your question for our sexy single?
How would you solve conflict with someone you're dating or you're in a relationship with?
For sure, number one would be communication. And it's really like in-depth communication. It's not just like, I understand that people go through so many things. So they're the way they are now. It's really understanding the person and really communication. And giving chances, but not cheating. That's like number one, but
Okay.
yeah.
So since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop ng balloon, I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop. Okay, never mind. Nauna na siya. So, what happened? No, why did you decide to pop your balloon?
No, I like her. She's very intellectual. I think we'll have meaningful conversations together. It's just that I think the vibe is more like a friendly vibe right now. But I do want to maybe go out and get cocktails, but as friends. But you're really pretty also, so yeah.
Thank you.
Do you agree with what he's saying? Friend vibe din ba from your end?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. But before he popped his balloon,
okay lang naman. Yeah, I agree.
Okay. All right. Well, we have one balloon left, so please join us over here. Before we proceed, I just want to ask, do you guys still have any final questions for each other?
Yeah, so I leave a lot. Like I leave the country a lot for work. Sometimes 2-3 weeks at a time. How would you be okay with that? And there's times where I'm working for hours on end, like on a broadcast thing, so I can't really get back to you. So are you okay with that kind of setup? Like, how would you handle that?
Am I allowed to join you in your travels?
I don't think the company would pay for it, but yeah, you could,
like
you could
me.
go.
Yeah. Okay. I think if ever, I'm okay naman to travel with my partner. I think, again, it's just about balancing everything. So if he goes to work and he has to go abroad for work, then I could stay in the Philippines or I could join him. And it's the same thing because I also travel a lot for work. So, yeah.
All right. And how about from your end? Do you still have any final questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Ask him first na.
Ay, ako. Okay, I'm gonna ask him
I'm
first.
sorry,
Okay.
host.
Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I would love to get to know you more.
Okay.
I think obviously you're very pretty. You have a career and everything. So yeah, I think we could go out on a coffee date or a cocktail date.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I'm okay to try.
Oh,
Let's give it a shot.
Okay. We have a pusuan match. All right, so please take each other's hand.
Holding hands.
And you can go off to your happily ever after. here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Lovely Portia Tealim and I'm 27 years old.
Okay, and ano namang job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm a healthcare virtual assistant.
Okay, and what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
My hobbies, go to the gym, dance, and I also like painting and I have a lot of hobbies that I like to do. Some instrument like kalimba and drums, and also like to free dive.
And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Pwedeng personality or physical traits?
Actually, it's a guy. I like someone who's positive thinking and emotional, financially stable, and someone who can understand me. Bonus din yung pag medyo bad boy looking.
Medyo bad boy
Yeah.
looking. Okay. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or mga red flags for you?
If rude sila sa mga tao and also if may anger issues like tataasan ka ng boses, ganon.
Alright. Well, right now, wala pa nagpa-pop sa atin. Okay. Alright, so since may isang nag-pop ng balloon, let's go over there and find out kung bakit siya nag-pop.
Hi, I'm Jed. I'm 34 and I'm a bank officer.
And ba't ka biglang nag-pop ng balloon?
Siguro physically medyo na-off na ako dun sa mga piercings. Tapos siguro addition dun yung gusto niya yung bad boy looking, which is I am not.
So, deal breaker for you yung piercings.
Siguro yes.
You have any response to that?
Okay lang, I respect that.
Okay, but you also date guys na medyo mas like clean look,
Yeah,
ganon.
actually, yeah. Bonus points lang naman yun. Pero good looking, good boy looking, okay lang din.
Okay. Pero set ka na doon?
Yes. Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons left. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
All of you are good looking, so no hard feelings. Okay. Sorry.
So let's go over here.
My name is Zach. I'm 32 years old and I work in sales.
So bakit biglang siya yung na-decide mo ipop?
Just not my type.
Okay, do you have any response to what she said?
Not at all. I think everybody has their own preference, so I respect that.
Pero type mo naman pa sana siya.
Nope.
No? Do you have any reason why?
I was, again, mixed feelings, just like the previous woman. But yeah, I kind of concluded like the piercing is not an issue for me. It's just that, yeah, I guess just her overall appearance is not my type.
Do you have any response to that?
No. It's okay.
Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons left. So this time, I'd like you to ask a question to help you find out who you vibe with.
Okay. So my question is, what are your non-negotiables?
So let's start over here.
Hi, I'm Reese, 40, and I'm a senior DevOps platform engineer. I'm also an entrepreneur. Yung non-negotiables ko is cheating. Once na nag-cheat ka, out ka na.
I'm RB, 30 years old, project engineer. So one of my non-negotiables, I think cheating is obvious, but another one would probably be religion, because I have a strong faith. I mean, I pray, and that would be one. I think the girl that I'm looking for is.
What's your religion? Sorry.
Roman Catholic.
Okay.
You?
The same.
Okay.
I'm Axel. I'm 35. I do freelance job like I do modeling, real estate. I have my coffee business, and I'm an athlete. I fight boxing and mixed martial arts. And my answer is I hate liars. So yun talaga sobrang deal breaker talaga. Kasi pag nag-lie ka ng small things, what more pag bigger things, diba? So that's it.
Hi, I am AJ Almacen. I am 30 years old and I'm a contractor civil engineer. I'm a businessman. I manage cars and big bikes. Hobbies ko din, then athlete din. My number one deal breaker, non-negotiable for me, is disrespectful partner. On top of it is, yun nga, I'll just like to keep the relationship between two of us. Ganon. I don't like nang masyadong nag-i-involve ng kung sino-sino.
So my name is Aaron Clementes. I'm 32 years old. I work in a telecommunications company. So my answer to that, so commonly is cheating. So second is not family-oriented. So ayaw minsan kasama yung family, mga ganon.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I'm 32 years old. I'm a civil engineer, a pageantry, and also a actor sa reenactments. For me, yung pinaka-important sa akin, syempre, hindi mawawala yung dapat love mo si Lord or may fear ka kay sa Kanya. And next naman is hindi mawawala yung kung kaano ko kamahal yung family ko, ganun din sana kamahal nung if ever na magiging partner ko na ganun din yung pagmamahal. And also, I will love them din naman.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Talaga. Sorry.
Okay, so I'll start over here. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
So vibe lang. Feel ko hindi kami mag-vibe, tsaka di ko rin siya type.
Anong vibe ba niya for you?
It's like a friend, yeah. Friend vibe.
Do you agree with that? Ikaw ba, friend vibe din ba yung tingin mo sa kanya?
Doon naman nag-uumpisa lahat sa pagiging friends. Pero okay lang sa akin. Okay lang kung yun yung decision niya.
Okay, and over here. Okay, so bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Same lang.
Same lang. Like yung reason mo is what specifically?
Friend vibe.
Friend vibe. Is there any reason kung bakit friend vibe yung na-feel mo sa kanya?
Hindi ko ma-explain. Basta yun lang yung nafe-feel ko.
Okay. Yeah. Do you agree with that? Friend vibe din ba siya for you?
Yeah, best friend.
Yeah. Best friend.
Okay, at least nakahanap kayo ng bestie. Okay, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 balloons left. So I'd like you to ask another question to help you see who you would match with.
Okay, do you think you have emotional intelligence?
So let's go over here.
I think I do have emotional intelligence. I'm both sympathetic and empathetic. So I know the difference between the two. Ano naman ako, self-aware on the other person's feelings, and then I also do not invalidate them. Open-minded, so as long as you explain how you feel, just be communicative with me. You know, I don't want to guess how you're feeling because I wouldn't know, because that's you, right? I can only base from my observations. So yeah.
Yeah, as a Capricorn, I think, yeah, because we're sensitive, di ba? Wala lang. For me, like, I'm so observant sa magiging feeling ng tao. Kung ano yung sasabihin ko or sa reactions or whatsoever. So, I'm thinking na kung sa akin kaya ginawa yun, like, ano kaya ma-feel ko. So, I'm very careful about that.
When it comes to emotional intelligence, for me, I think I have that trait naman din. Kasi on my values naman, I seems to understand kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. I just want to understand deeper kung ano yung, like, kulari nagkaroon tayo ng mga disagreements na pwede nating i-sort out, himayin natin, pag-usapan natin, ganun. Then, let's check each other, not just one-sided. Kumaga, hindi lang yung side mo, side ko rin, syempre papakinggan mo din, di ba? Then, we can check kung alin dun yung mga pwede nating i-compromise.
So, mostly nasabi na nila lahat, di ba? So, ang sasabihin ko na lang is, at this age na, lahat kami is nasa Tito vibe na. So, mostly meron talaga kami ng emotional intelligence na. So, nasabi naman na nila. Hindi ko na ulitin. So, yun.
Okay.
Okay, so based on those answers, I'd like you to choose 2 balloons to pop.
Okay. Okay naman lahat ng answers. But I have to choose, so sorry. Ay, wait.
Okay, let's go over here. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa Pero okay din naman yung niya. Parang mas nag-stand out lang yung dalawa.
Ibang answers for you. Do you have any response to that?
No. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, and over here. So, bakit siya yung napili mo i-pop?
Parang wala lang siyang masyado nasabi.
Nasabi na lahat eh. So, mostly...
Dapat inedit.
Inedit ng konti. Copy-paste lang daw kasi.
Wait, mag-chat GPT yan.
ulit tayo. Okay.
Yun talaga eh. Wala.
Gets naman.
Gets naman siya sa mga. So, Tito vibes na kami.
Wag ka daw mandamay ng Tito vibes. Okay, so we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman na magtatanong ng questions sa'yo to help them find out if you're a good match for them. Okay, so let's start over here. What's your question for our sexy single?
What's your make or break sa relationship pag nasa relationship ka na? Deal breaker.
Deal breaker. Yun din. Ito din sinabi ko kanina pag yung may anger issues, pag tinataasan ako ng boses, ayoko nun. Tsaka, ayun, yung parang walang pangarap sa buhay. Like, I wanted to strive din, ganon.
And kung boyfriend ka, like, give and take ba kayo or whatsoever?
Yes, of course.
Or
dapat,
hindi siya one-sided lang?
Oo naman. Like, dapat naman talaga.
Yeah. Like, kasi minsan may ganun eh. Like, na-trauma kasi ako yung before ko, one side. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
And how about over here? What's your question for our sexy single?
Napansin ko kasi personality niya na like, rin siya, like dream-oriented or goal-oriented person. So, I just want to know, going back to your roots, like, what was your childhood dream? And like, kamusta ka naman ngayon? I mean, how do you, na-attain mo ba siya? Or what's the process in between?
Yes. Thank you for that question.
Miss Universe.
Ayun. Sa medical field. So, nung college ako, nag-psychology ako, and then now I'm in a healthcare industry wherein I'm a healthcare virtual assistant na. So, na-achieve ko naman yung gusto kong ma-achieve.
Like, yun talaga yung gusto mong, like, ayaw maging doctor or mga ganun some part.
Yeah.
Sa healthcare, anong specifically yun?
Admin assistant sa psychiatric clinic.
Do you have, like, long-term plans, long-term goals for it?
Yeah, siguro, I'll try to, pursue my psychology, yung ma-master, ganyan.
Okay, so magaling ka mag-assess pala.
Takot ka?
Magbasa ng isip.
Yeah, mind reader ka. Okay din naman yun, para at least alam niya na yung kung ano yung alam ko. Ay, ano yung gusto ko, alam niya na kagad.
Okay naman sa'yo yun.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. So, since wala sa kanilang dalawa nag-pop, the choice is yours. I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Sorry.
Okay. Let's go back over here. So, bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Kasi nung nalaman niyang psych ako, parang medyo doubtful na siya sa akin.
Totoo ba?
Na parang binabasa yung isip ko. So, ayoko na mag-overthink siya. Ganon.
Okay, so it's for him.
Yeah, it's for you. Yes.
Ako naman kasi hindi ako overthinker partner talaga. So, I just want lang, kumbaga, you do your own. You do you. Ganon. Tas I'm just here to support you. Ganon.
So, okay naman sana with you?
Okay lang. Yeah.
Bakit ka nag-hesitate?
Nag-hesitate siya. Wala.
Okay naman. She seems interesting naman. I like her eyes din. Pares kaming singkit.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Okay. Bad boy daw. Okay, so before we proceed, do you guys have any final questions for each other? How about from you?
No. Okay.
Wala na daw. How about from you?
Wala din.
Kanina mo pa siya gusto na. And then, just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Actually, nung pagpasok niya, parang I think it's a sign for me kasi my favorite color is black. Tapos, I like her tattoos and her piercings din. And I have it too. And mukhang maganda yung mga sagot niya. Tapos, mukha siyang jolly at saka makulit kasama. So, for me, it's okay na. Sure na ako. Pero ewan ko sa kanya.
Okay. Alright. And, sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Yes.
Okay! We have a Buson match! Okay, so please take each other's hand and go off into your happily ever after. Congratulations! And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusoan or Laruan! Woo!